Yoga is all about connection with ourselves, our breath, and the world around us. But have you ever thought about how your yoga practice impacts the planet? Every year, millions of yoga mats made from PVC and non-biodegradable materials end up in landfills. Mass-produced clothing, toxic cleaners, even disposable water bottles. They're all silently disrupting the harmony we're trying to create on the mat. The problem, we focus so much on inner peace. But what about outer peace? With the earth, traditional yoga accessories and habits can unintentionally contribute to waste and pollution. Here's how you can make your yoga practice more eco-friendly, starting today. Switch to sustainable yoga mats. Opt for mats made from natural rubber, jute, or cork. They're biodegradable, durable, and feel amazing under your feet. Choose eco-conscious clothing. Support brands using organic cotton, bamboo, or recycled materials, or simply repurpose your old, comfy clothes. Say no to plastic props. Use wooden or cork blocks, or DIY with what you already have at home. Less waste, more creativity. Practice outdoors when possible. Sunlight, fresh air, birds chirping. Nature is the original yoga studio. Carry a reusable water bottle. One small switch can save hundreds of plastic bottles per year. Yoga teaches us that every breath matters, so does every choice. By practicing mindfully, you're not just healing yourself, you're helping heal the planet. Let your mat be more than a space. Let it be a statement. A statement of peace, of purpose, and of love for the earth. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and remember, every time you show up,